Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically remove all of the vines on the Garden of Eden round in Dress to Impress. Get your watering can, and you're going to go to the area where there are vines covering up the items you want to wear. Then you're going to press E on the vine wall, and it's going to remove the vines from it. It does take a few seconds to do it, and it does take up some time to remove everything, so you just got to be patient. And if you need to refill your water can, you're just going to go back here to refill it. Then you're going to go back and remove all the vines. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.